how this is going to look once.
What are you, butchering my bike over here? What are you doing?
No, I'm cleaning it a little bit.
Taking sandpaper to my bike?
No, it's 3,000 grit.
3,000 grit, damn. Oh, there goes the chrome too.
Nah, that made the chrome shiny.
There it goes. Camera didn't want to work there for a minute. I don't know.
See something else here.
Look at that, he took the tarnish off.
Oh yeah. Go over lightly with the a little bit 3,000, or maybe 5,000.
Mixing the paint.
Hmm.
Gonna color buff the paint job too.
Oh, that one right there.
I don't think that's gonna buff out too easy.
It'll buff out nice and easy. Watch.
Put some clear in there to buff that thing out.
No, get a stick.
Take a stick to it.
Yeah. Clay bar.
Beat out with a stick.
Clay bar.
Oh, clay bar. Alright. Yeah, you can take all the rust off. Take all the patina off, you can lose all the value.
Oh yeah, patina my ass.
You can put the chrome back on here?
Yeah. Oh yeah, this will buff up nice.
Yeah. So you got buffing tips tomorrow, how to buff?
Yep.
Detail your bike.
I want to see how this will come out.
You gonna come out nothing, there's nothing left.
I know there's nothing left, but I can make it look good.
You can make it look like nickel, but you can't make it look like chrome anymore.
Oh, I'll make it look good nickel-y chrome.
You can buff the nickel up if there's nickel, if you get the chrome out of the way.
Yeah.
See, chrome is clear coat over nickel. So.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, well, they might not know that. So if you get the chrome off, then you can polish the nickel, but it will tarnish.
Yeah. And do the light the same way.
You gonna buff the light off too?
Oh yeah.
Keep doing that. You get my headlight on my car next.
Oh yeah, this will buff out nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, boy.
Look at that.
I'll make this choke. What's this? Oh, that's easy.
Damn here. Oh, that's the chrome come off there.
Oh, I got it dirty too.
Well, oh, there goes the chrome. Oh, look what he did.
God.
Look what he did to it. Oh,
Yeah,
he made
that's all right.
He made a blemish. That's it. Tough to take $1,000 off now. It's been blemished.
Yeah, right. Jesus Christ Almighty! Who did this?
You did.
No, who did this? My God!
They were using some coarse-ass buffing material there.
Something. They were using something that they shouldn't have been using.
You're not supposed to use a 80 grit paper?
No, you're not supposed to use SOS pads. It's probably what they used. Probably 4,000 steel wool or something.
Steel wool doesn't do it.
Steel wool do that.
Not triple aught or 4-aught.
4-aught will make marks like that. Yeah, they will. Depends on how strong you go to.
Not that deep.
Those will buff out though.
Not that deep.
Those will buff out.
The handlebar got to be worked on because they're tight, but they move. See.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take this off and then cut the damn thing.
Yeah.
Cut off about 50 thou, 30 thou, probably at least 30 thou off, and we'll pinch the bar back tight. And it won't slip
You flipping
anymore.
this or are you keeping it?
I'm not gonna flip it over. It's too heavy.
No. Are you flipping it, cleaning it to flip?
I'm gonna sell it to you.
You're crazy as hell.
You're not gonna do it? No.
I don't want a bike.
You don't want a bike?
I want a trike.
Trike. Well, I can put a wheel over the handlebar here and call it trike.
All right.
Make you feel better.
Yeah.
Trike's over there in the corner. Remember?
This is up here.
You gotta pick on the thing. Yeah, I gotta fluff it up. Gotta fluff it up a little bit.
Are you gonna flip it though?
Yeah.
Flipping it, clean it, flip it?
I'm gonna fix it and sell it, but I'm not gonna.
Well, that's what I'm saying. You bought it to flip or?
I bought it to get rid of it.
Yeah.
I bought it because the customer wanted only me to have it.
Really?
And I told him I'm gonna sell it. He said, yeah, as long as I get it, he don't care. Okay.
Really? He said he only wanted you to have it.
He didn't want to deal with anybody else.
There you go.
Because he knows me, he don't know anybody else.
He don't want people to have it like that.
He don't want nobody over there bothering him about it. So,
Hey, mister, can I buy your bike?
So
Please, You gonna sell it to me tomorrow?
You don't want none of
Can I
the
pay you Monday? In 20 years?
from the hamburger.
In 20 years, can I pay you?
Yeah, so anyway, he wanted me to have it, so okay, I got it now.
Yeah.
It's not in my name yet though, but I got it.
Okay. Oops. but I shouldn't be doing all that.
I'll get up early enough tomorrow, I'll go get it my name, but
You better get up early then.
nah, I got shit to do.
What are you gonna do?
Get up. Less than I had to do this morning, let's put it that way.
Stand up.
I actually did something this morning.
You did?
Yeah.
What'd you
I think
do?
it was water and air cleaner. How'd that happen?
Oh my God.
Where'd the light go? Light went off again.
Oh yeah, this will clean up.
This has got a high performance air filter in here.
Okay, go get me a piece of 5,000 now.
Oh yeah, that's been backfiring a little bit.
You think so?
Yeah. Boy, when they're that black on the inside of the carburetor, that's black.
Yeah, I think it's running kind of bad.
That's not tuned up correctly. It's burnt in too, so that's backfiring. It ain't oil in there. Here, turn that throttle, let's see what happens.
Huh?
Turn the throttle. All the way. There you go. Well, it's dry on the inside. It's not black on the inside, so why is the carburetor all black?
Because we probably sprayed something on it and it dripped down in there.
No, it's blacked. It's blacked out now.
Yeah.
It's been blackened.
Been blackened.
Okay, the screw does work. That's a plus.
Yeah, this is gonna clean up nice.
The rubber is still on there. It doesn't look like it's split yet. That's a big air leak there. Damn camera.
This will clean up nice.
That is a big air leak if it get opened up. So
Yeah, big air leaks.
big stinking air leak.
That's not good.
Is that got a crack in the top of that thing or not? I can't tell.
Yeah, it's cleaned up nice.
Hey, you're prematurely working on the bike here.
Huh?
You're prematurely working on the bike.
Yeah, well, I'm just kind of dicking around.
Dicking around, wasting time.
Yeah.
It appears to still be good, so we're good.
But
All right.
Whoever signed this before me, man. Hey,
Oh, that appears to be a little tight.
you think?
That appears not to be working.
Right.
Choke is not working. Here, we got some choke fixing material here.
Oh, you got the choke fixing material?
Yeah, so you go like that. A little bit on the screws, a little bit on the throttle shaft.
A little bit on there, a little bit on there.
That's about right. A little here, a little there. Eventually you get everything important. Throw a little on the cable just for the hell of it, if it'll go in there. Another screw down here, get that one too. Okay,
Clean that old eagle up too.
so the choke appears to be stuck. What are you doing to my eagle?
I'm cleaning her up a little bit.
You took all the gold off.
No, I didn't.
Okay, so this, you can only force this so much before you break this, so. There it goes.
Did you break it?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good thing.
Very good.
Because you're going to put a new one on there.
So the shaft is a little dry. So you
Not a dry shaft. Oh my
put a
God.
dry shaft. There, we got some, squirt them on the shaft.
That's what she said. We'll keep it PG-13 for the people.
Okay, the shaft is going up and down.
Oh my
Called a
God.
plunger. Okay, the choke might be working now, if it had gas in it.
She'll be happy.
There's something down the side of there, look at it bubbling.
Ooh, bubbler. A bubbler. Not a bubbler.
Okay, that's on, so we'll leave the choke on. So I guess we'll put a little bit of gas in it and then see if it runs.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tonight?
Yeah, light it off. All right, go find some gas. I'll be back.